Sage is very user-friendly. The menus are very, we have a lot of younger people that use the system, and they're used to web programs and the look and feel of them. So to them, it's like, you know, very piece of cake.
Since Sage CRM is so user-friendly, you can really just go in and start doing what you need to do. It helps the company to be organized, and everybody is on the same page.
So the Sage Interactive Dashboards really give us the ability to take the natural workflows of how you work as a company and provide it to somebody in a screen that's now in an actionable way, so that I can move things along in the process and everyone becomes more efficient and everyone becomes more productive.
We know how to access the information because it is so user-friendly, and we are able to do what we need to do in a timely manner.
So when somebody's on the road, they can find their appointments, they can find their customers. You know, when somebody calls in and they say you need to call customer X or you need to call person Y, you have to be able to get that right away, because it's the speed to market that accelerates everybody's business these days.
Sage CRM is extremely user-friendly. The GUI interfaces are just great for whether you're an IT professional or just an end user. I would definitely recommend Sage CRM to other companies because you know, just the usability and the flexibility and customizations that you can do within the software is tremendous. It's almost like an endless way of doing your business.